Hello everyone, welcome to this series of top 10 most important topics in Tableau. And today we are going to learn level of details expression. So let's see what is level of detail expression. Level of detail expression is a way to aggregate data at a different level of granularities. So let's see with an example. Here I have a table in which I have shown the sum of sales as per the category and subcategory. So we have two requirements here. First is we need to show the sum of sales as per the category, and second is we need to show the sum of sales as per the category and subcategory. So the second requirement uh, is correct, but we want the first requirement, it is sum of sales by category. What we can do is we can remove this subcategory and we will get the sum of sales by the category. But our first requirement is not meeting. So here we can use the LOD, which is level of details expressions. With the help of level of detail expression, we can show the sum of sales by category and subcategory, and also the sum of sales by the category. So there are total three types of LODs: fixed, include, and exclude. We are going to solve this problem with the help of fixed LOD. To write the fixed LOD, we need to first create a calculated field, and the syntax is open and close the curly bracket, write fixed. What we want, sum of sales as per the category. So category and sum of sales. Okay. So the LOD is created. Let's drag and drop here, and you will see uh, in the first column we got the sum of sales as per the category. Furniture for office supply is different, and for technology is different. And to verify this if it is correct or not, I've created another table in which you can see the sum of sales as per the category. So this is how the fixed LOD works. um, if you create another level of another level here, for example, if I add region here, it will not change, it will show as per the category only. So this is how the fixed LOD works. So the next LOD is exclude LOD. Exclude LOD will uh, exclude the given dimension before computing the value. So let's see with an example. If you see in this table, uh, the sales column, the sum of sales are given as per the category, subcategory, and region. But what if we want the sum of sales by category and subcategory? We need to exclude this region, and we only want the sum of sales by category and subcategory. So for that, we will use the exclude LOD. First, we will create a calculated field and give it a name. And same, the syntax is same, open and close curly bracket, exclude region and sum of sales. We will add this in this column, and we will see in the exclude LOD, the sum of sale is as per the category and subcategory only. To verify this, uh, I've created another table in which I have created category and subcategory, and all the values here are same here. So this is how the exclude LOD works. So the third type of LOD is the include LOD. Include LOD will add the given dimension into the view before computing the values. So to understand the include LOD, I've created this table. We have the sum of sales as per the category, subcategory, region, and state. But we also want to see um, the average of sales as per the customer name. So if I add the customer name here, you will see the problem. We have uh, a lot of customer names. So to see the average of the customer name as per the state, we have to scroll every time to check what is the average of each state. So to solve this problem, we can use the include LOD. to use we will again create the calculated field. Syntax is same. Include, we want average of sales as per the customer, so customer name and sum of sales. I'll add this here and turn it into average. So if you see here, we do not get the list of all the customer names. We will get directly the average of sales as per the customer. So with the help of include, we can include um, any dimension that we want inside our table. So this is how all the three types of LOD works in Tableau. Thank you.